Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberts, the Daily Trader. It is October 4th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and also Nasdaq. If we start with the VIX came down 1.03, 3.42%, closed at 2907. The good news today is we seem to be outside of this support right here. So VIX is coming down a little bit. We are now lower than 30. And maybe we are on our way to 2772. That remains to be seen. We lost a stochastic right here. It means that we can believe this move down. This should not be a fluke. If we take a look at Dow Jones, let's see how it fared. So after this big rebound yesterday, we are continuing up. Look at this. We have a gap up. And we are pretty high right here. We still don't have a stochastic over 60. But there's less chance that this is a real move. And we are also below this downward resistance. So until we break this downward resistance, we cannot really conclude anything because this is what the resistance means. The stock goes up to there and cannot break it. And then it can try several times. And so far we tried 3 times and we could not break it. If and when we are breaking it, then this is going to be interpreted as a buy signal to get into the market to maybe catch this next swing back to this larger downward resistance that we have had since the beginning of this year. Let's take a look at SPX. So SPX is having a nice move up also. SPX is right smack on that downward resistance. So it's going to be really important to take a look at tomorrow to see if it's going to break it or not. As I said, if it breaks it with a good stochastic, this is a buy signal. If we look at Nasdaq, broke outside of it, but we still don't have stochastics. There is more risk that this comes down at some point. Depending on your risk level, this is a buy on Nasdaq. You can buy it right away. There is less probability that it works because stochastic over 60 is not yet there. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.